Into a Thursday, March 6th, Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Profile PR and Strategies. And we apparently hit a nerve with Canada's provinces and territories pulling U.S.-made liquor off the store shelves in response to Donald Trump's trade war with us. The head of the U.S. company that makes Jack Daniel's whiskey isn't too happy. Lawson Whiting calling the action worse than a tariff, suggesting that cancelling all sales is a disproportionate response to Trump's action. Ontario Premier Doug Ford, along with Prime Minister Trudeau, making it clear that the U.S. decision to pause tariffs on the automakers for a month will only create more uncertainty that Canada's levies on American products will all go ahead as planned. Further evidence that Canadians are also calling off their U.S. vacation plans because of Trump. The Flight Centre Travel Group reporting that leisure bookings to American cities were down 40% in February. With new and important information each and every weekday, Canada's Business Beat is heard on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Sponsored by Profile PR and Strategies, empowering business to tell their stories with expert media training, profile building, crisis management, and more at profilepr.ca. As that Can-Am trade war mounts, Stats Canada is reporting a big jump for our nation's international trade surplus, surging to $4 billion in January, exports outpacing imports 5.5% to 2.3%. Oil sands giant Canadian Natural Resources rewarding shareholders despite showing a sharply lower fourth quarter profit, raising its dividend by 2.5 cents a share after posting a Q4 take of $1.14 billion from $2.6 billion a year ago. Big news from fuel supplier and convenience store operator Parkland that it's considering selling after reporting a quarterly loss of $29 million. They were $86 million in the good a year ago. And bad news on the farm, with StatsCan noting a sizable drop for agricultural product prices. The total crop index tumbling 11.8% in December, with grains and oilseeds taking the biggest hit. Cattle and calf prices, though, were up by 18%. And that will do it for your Thursday, the 6th. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.